Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Manjot MD Dermatologist, and today I'm going to be talking about the curly girl hair method. Also, I'm going to be talking about if this method is actually going to affect your skin, and if it does, how you can prevent any rashes or eruptions which may occur because of the curly girl method. Being someone with curly hair myself, I totally understand that, how we maintain our curls. We tend to moisturize it, we tend to oil it. Our cleansers are very mild when it comes to curly curl methods. And also, we tend to use a lot of products. We use, layering of products to maintain the ringlets. So this is a list of the products that I am using, and trust me, it takes a while. I do oiling before the shampoo, and then there's a particular shampoo, there's a leave-in conditioner, there's an elixir for the high porosity, and I have dry hair, so I am used to using layers up. But trust me, the results are great. But a few people actually suffer because of this layering of products. So whenever we're doing curly hair methods, all this layering up tends to cause a lot of accumulation of sebum on our scalp. So many times people suffer from a very oily scalp and very dry hair. This is usually the problem with a lot of people who, trying to shift to the curly girl method. And, somebody who's even maintaining a routine, they don't want to shift it because it's giving them great results with their hair, but they really want to do something about their skin. So these are a few tips, and I'm sure they'll be helpful to you if you are using a curly girl method. So there are a few things that you can do when you're maintaining this curly girl routine. As you're having a lot of sebum and oily scalp, you should make sure that you're using a good face wash. Make it a foam-based face wash with salicylic acid, because the forehead usually tends to get tiny comedones and tiny acne that can be there because of the products. Also, a lot of the products are coconut oil based or castor oil based, and these are comedogenic products. So when our hair tends to touch our face, even when we are sleeping, or maybe the way we style it, it can get, a lot of acne on the face, and you should have good cleansing. I would suggest double cleansing with micellar water and with a gel based or a foam based face wash. Do not try cleansing balms because they're not going to help in your hair type. Secondly, what you can do is, use serums with retinol. They're very helpful for exfoliating the skin and actually decreasing the oil content. So that's something that I could suggest, that it's going to help exfoliate your skin, maintain your skin type, and also, you don't need to change your curly curl method too. Few other things that I have noticed and I've always received queries for are that after oiling, people tend to get very, very uneven skin tone and sometimes a lot of, acne prone skin too. So oiling is known to give acne. And if you cannot stay away from oiling, I suggest use it on the hair and avoid it on the scalp. Whenever you apply oil on the scalp, it tends to make your forehead oily also. And that's when you start seeing acne present on the forehead. It can even make your T-zone really oily. So avoid oiling on the scalp and use it only on the hair. Now, every girl who has curly hair is using a routine and is using different types of products. Someone may use a gel, someone may use a leave-in conditioner, someone may use an oil, someone may use a mousse, custard, and there are different types of products and they have different consistency. So the product might be great for your hair, but might not be suiting your skin that well. So make sure that whenever you're using your products or refreshing your curls, you wash your face and maintain a good cleansing routine, because that is the trick to good healthy skin. If you suffer from dry skin, I still suggest do double cleansing and use a good moisturizer along with it. It's not necessary that you use a gentle moisturizer, especially if you're using a lot of curly hair products. I hope this answers everyone's questions. And if you have any further questions, feel free to leave it in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks.